Hello there. Welcome to the third part and fourth part together. We will do it together because it's small about the levers and mechanical advantages. You know that any simple machines such as levers, pulleys, are designed to reduce the force needed to the lift heavy load. In each cases, we have applied force and we have load force. When you make the balance between them, it just give you the movement that you want. And this one is the lever, which is the balance between the applied force and the load force. The mechanical advantages of any machine is the ratio between the magnitude of the load force balanced by the applied force. So the mechanical advantages is the force load over force applied. Force load are the load that you have it, okay? And apply force, the thing that you apply force on it. Okay, this is the difference between them. And the lever is the simplest form of the rigid bar using with the fulcrum. The fulcrum is the point or support on which lever pivots, or they say it's the joint point. There is three classes of lever can be distinguished. When the fulcrum in the middle and we have force load and force applied on different directions in the both directions or the edges, that's when you are in the class one. When the load in the middle and the applied force and the fulcrum and on the other side, that's when you are in the class two. And when the applied force in the in the middle and the load and the fulcrum is on the left side and right side, that means you are in the third types of the levers. Let's give examples. For example, we have here, if you see this shape here, you will see when the person make movement of his head, okay? So he applying load on that side, okay? And the effort will be done where on that side. So this is we will name it the applied force, and this is the force load. And then the fulcrum is just between them. When the fulcrum between them and the load going up, because you are applying load here, and the effort will be where the effort will be there. That's when you are in the first type of the lever. On the second one, when the load going down because of your body weight, this is the load, this is the weight, and the effort, you applying the effort on the up, okay? That's mean, and the fulcrum will be on the side. That's mean the load in the middle, the effort on the side, and the fulcrum on the other side. That's mean you on the second type of the lever. And then when you have the load, you have it always, the load always try to pushing down maybe. And it just like the load, how can you know this is load, not effort? The load is just like the things that the heavy you want to carry out, okay? So always find what is the things that you want to carry out is named the load. And when you are wanting to lift something up, then the applied force will be the things that the force that you're applying to make the load is going up. So the effort is the applied force, the load is the load force, and the fulcrum is just like the point is fixed and the things is moving around it. So the fulcrum will be on the side, the effort here on the up, the load will be down or up. So that's mean the effort will be in the middle, and this is the third class of lever. And this is the end of section or part 3. We will move directly to the part 4, which is the physics of the varicose veins. Varicose veins are enlarged veins that are visible through the skin and maybe appear as a blue or purple twisted. So you will see a purple vein is appear or twisted is appear inside from outside the skin or from inside the skin. You can see it clearly is appear to you. And varicose veins are caused by increasing the blood pressure inside the leg vein. Okay, and that's mean when you're applying, when the varicose vein is occur in anywhere in the body, but it are more commonly happen or found in the leg. and let's understand the idea. Just like when you have, for example, here, when the blood want to go up from the leg to the heart, there is the force apply. The blood is pushing up, the muscles pushing the blood up, and the gravitational force pushing down. Let me draw it for you. The muscles pushing the blood up, and the gravitational force pushing down. That's mean the blood should be go directly to the heart. However, and this is why we have we name it a valve here. The valve is really open when it just going to be up, and they will be closed to be and it will be closed, it will be relaxed. Okay, so if the valve is not working well, that's mean your blood will be disappear, or it will be like separated in the uh, on the vein, and then to make the varicose vein happen. So when the leg is contract and squeeze, and the deep vein will be open, or inside the vein open. When the leg muscle relax, the valve will be closed, preventing the blood from the flowing backwards. And that's lead us to understand it, just like when the one-way valve become weakened or destroyed or damaged, the blood can't collect in the vein, causing the vein to become what? To become enlarged. So when the valve is not working well, what will happen? It will be destroyed, and the blood will be swimming, let's say, or pooling. It just like in the vein, and make the vein enlarge and abnormal. And this is the end of our lecture. Thank you very much.